How to avoid incorrect text assertions in Playwright. Let's explore a common mistake when writing text assertions in Playwright. We'll begin by navigating to a page using the Go-To Sandbox method from the Playwright Sandbox library. On the page, there's a text element displaying text X. When a specific button is clicked, the text should change to text Y. We click the button and attempt to assert the text using the textContent method to check if it contains text Y. However, the test fails because the text did not update as expected. Upon manually inspecting the page, we notice that while the text does indeed update, it takes about 1 second for the change to occur. To fix this, we use the toHaveText method, which waits for the text to update to the expected value. We run the test again, and this time it passes. Now you know.